is about 10 minutes to 8 p.m. We're just going to call this an evening ride, an evening loop. Why don't we start out by checking the airport, because I haven't been there in a while. Been a lot of work lately. Finally get a chance to ride. That's a badass little blue plane. You can have some fun in that. I know I could fly it, but nobody would let me. All right, moving on. There was a jet here I saw fly in a couple days ago, but it must be gone already. I saw it make the downwind leg and then approach right into the valley. Oh look, we got a chopper over there. Haven't seen that. That's new. And somebody's staring at me. All right, let's go. Here we are at East Side Highway. Now it's getting later, which means the animals are more likely to come out, the deer and the elk and shit like that. So we're just gonna go for it and see what's out there, if anything. Maybe take it up to Corvallis, make the loop. Rock on. Change of plan, because that car is going just a little too slow for me. Even on the 155, shit, that car was going slow. I'm gonna take you instead down this road and show you the little tiny movie theater in this town. I think it's got 4 or 6 screens. Tiny little sucker, but interesting for a small town, you know. I haven't been here in about, shit, at least 6 years, maybe 8 years even. I don't go to movies anymore. It's all propaganda now. Well, here's your little tour. Fun parking lot to ride in. Anyhow, quick story. I know, he's gonna talk again. Regarding that stupid euphemism, the new normal, which by the way can never come to pass, not in a free world. But anyway, I think they're building the drive-in out here. Yep, they are. That's what they're clearing this land for. They're gonna make a drive-in theater out here, and I think the reason they started doing it was to promote social distancing. And you gotta figure this is small town America, so we're as good as fuck. All right, let's ride on. So this is Riverside Cutoff. It'll take us out to Highway 93. And there's the phallus. That's all. Just a quickie. Too much work lately, but we'll get out for a good long ride again. More exciting stuff. All right, friends. The journey never ends. Catch you next time.